Alright, so before I do start off with this unboxing of the super awesome body for my Traxxas XRT, guys, I just wanted to show you guys what I have available to all you guys across the world, shipping out of Washington State, all 7075 aluminum upgrades for your X-Max and your XRT, your sledge, and your low-C LMT. That's basically all I carry, guys, but check it out. Here is the wall of all the parts. I ship out same day from Washington. Like I said, you guys can hit me up if you need something fixed, a problem you got, a warranty issue, or whatever it may be. I always try to help everybody out to the best of my abilities. And like I said, I ship same day. So hey, let's get this body open. Well, there's no use in buying a Unbreakable basher body unless you test it out first. So here we are, second spot. We're gonna bash it. Let's do it. Get this. Ow! Let's take this out there, guys. Oh, it's kind of heavy. All right, check it out. This is what we're running today, guys. Bashing this body. We got the XRT with the Castle 1721 1260 kV. This one has the 8mm shaft. We're running belt drive. Mamba Monster 8S. We're running the keel tires, so really no jumping today. We got the Jake Sussman shock guards on there, and it's pretty much stock. Otherwise, we got the belt drive mod, not even installed. It may be slipping a little bit, but hey, let's run it. All right, guys, no other way to break this body in and test it out. I know we're not supposed to be jumping these things, but hey. Yeah. I don't know, guys. So far, so tough. Seeing some packaging in there. Let's see what she's got. Here we go. Set it this way. Oh, she is sexy, boys. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Super. Perfect. All right, guys, that's super awesome. I think we're gonna go home, get it out of the box, see what it looks like, show you guys, put it on the truck, and that'll be that. All right, check it out. So we just got back from the park, and you know, no more beating around the body. I mean, beating around the bush. Let's just open it up and see what it looks like. Show you how to install it on the truck, and we'll just see what it looks like. So, guys, I promise you, I haven't taken it out of the box. This is straight from Basher Bodies, all the way from the UK. They do an awesome job packaging it up. It was kind of spendy. I imagine the shipping is the most of it. But it did not come apart, as you can see, so let's go ahead and see what is in the box, and I'll show you which one I picked out. All right, here we go. Let's check it out, guys. Let's see what's in the box, and let's see how well it's starting to hold up already to the madness, PnwRcMadness. All right. It's almost open already. Alright, so check this out. First thing I see is a bunch of newspaper from the UK. Pretty awesome. Always wanted to see what's going on over there in the UK. Let's see what they're eating over there. Oh, that actually looks pretty good. Alright, hopefully we didn't break nothing. So they do say it's unbreakable. Well, let's see here. I knew there was going to be something in here like that, and I really didn't want to break it, but, you know, we're going to put it to the test. So there is that piece. Oh, that's why we didn't break it. Oh, gosh, look at that thing, guys. That is super beefy, too. Wow, super beefy. All right, so let's go ahead and keep digging. Oh, and it looks like we're going to have another one that's going to be... We got a sticker on the last one too, which just says RC Upgrade Italy. Okay, well, anyways, there's that. Looks like it's had a little bit of sanding done to it. Hey, no big deal. Gotta make things custom. Super beefy, guys, and those bolts are super beefy. Check those out. Those are super beefy. So if you wanted to see how these are put in, that feels like it might be like a piece of copper. I'm not sure, bronze. I'm not sure what that is. Guys, comment in the comments below what that piece is made out of. So I'm not sure how it all works. Okay, so those go in and out. All right, let's keep digging. More funny papers. Oh yeah, baby. Check it out, guys. We got a rock in the box somehow. So super awesome. Now here it is. Let's look at it. I don't know if there's anything else in the box. I hope nothing fell out at the track. Oh man. Alright, so there it is. They did a pretty good job packaging that up, guys. Look at that. So it comes in a nice, untouched plastic wrap. I was kind of wondering about that too. Oh! So awesome! Look at that. So it looks like we got some graphics in there. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Woo! Woo, boys! Look at that. Oh, untouched. Look at that. Basher bodies. Check it out, guys. It says Basher bodies right on the side. Super sick. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, guys. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to mount it up, we're going to open this up and see what we got and get it out in the dirt. So I think I'm just going to end the video now, and I'm going to do another video how to install it. So guys, thanks for watching the channel. Do stay tuned. I'm going to do a little install video, and I will catch you guys later.